Guys, welcome back again. This is the third rewind of this week, Wednesday the 11th of December. As you can see, the trade I told you about on Monday afternoon still is a go for the structure here. Total risk reward would have been 1 to 23. So, partials, big partials here, here, and then final target here. So still on a bearish structure, but I managed to look at the chart and try to get some shorts, some longs. These are the trades of Wednesday morning, 9.37 euro dollar. We're gonna jump into that. So as soon as I opened the chart, this was the situation. We had the market structure shift here, but still the price was, bearish. So the first was actually here, as you can clearly see from here. And the second again, back down from here. So, validation of the bearish order flow. 1 minute chart. This is a situation at 8 a.m. So you can see price grabbing some liquidity and then starts to follow its trend. So as you can see here, didn't took anything. There was no chance of actually taking anything. This is 8:06 a.m. It's really difficult, but there's nothing left to the to destiny, and this is a new low. So what I managed to do was try to reverse, of course, this is the thing I always look at. And as you can see at 9:37, we were close to this area here. That is actually where I open a trade. So I managed to get something from this reverse here. I saw the market grabbing some liquidity and we were shifting back up. So this is like a internal seek and destroy. And I was aiming to this high here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get into a nice trade. Only 1 to 3 risk reward. But I managed to get some profit just to recover the losses. As you can see, price started to reaccumulate again. And eventually, coming back to me, and I decided to then take another trade in the morning here. Still buying, so just dump from me at 10 a.m. was here, and the price stopped me out. So as you can see, I should have just wait for the price to rebalance the zone here and go for a short position. You can clearly see the price came back to mitigate this other high and lows. Came back here, was 2:30. It was economical event, so it's not a good time to open a trade during a economical event. But as you can see, the price didn't manage to create new higher highs and actually creates a new low here. And you can, jump into the trade like here. All right, there's no more mitigation that needs to be done. So this should have been my trade. Again, wasn't able to get into something like this. It was still difficult to me to see a trade like this, but I'm confident that I'm gonna be able to do that pretty soon, because the order flow was like this. So you could have also aimed for a reverse here. You can see market shifting up, confirming candle here. The last low was this guy here. So this is your internal order block, all right? And this should have been your target. So not a nice trade, but that's what I was also aiming for. And this is a trade at 5 p.m. You can see that at 5 p.m. on euro dollar, I was going for this trade, but I didn't manage to um, to take it to the target because I was too scared of the price reversing again and hitting another stop as I did in the morning. So pretty stressful situation for me on Wednesday. I should have taken just these two trades. This 1, 2, 3 here and another 1, 2, 3. A solid 6% for the day, or even leaving some peanuts of this trade running low. But even though it was possible, you can also see that we bought really low, so we should have bought like higher, and in this situation I could have left the trade open on a more percentage, but you should have closed it here at least and 70 to 80%, and then take another full volume trade here. Let's take a look at gold. So gold for Wednesday, again, we were going for the short here, even though the structure was long. So I didn't manage to take this trade. You can clearly see that from my history, trades history. And as you can see, there's a buy here on gold at 10:44 a.m., which was the best thing to do, but we're gonna jump into that later. So I back tested it again, and I managed to take these two trades because, in my opinion, we were still on a bearish shift here because of this move, and I was quite right, to be honest with you guys. This was a very nice move that led price back down, so there was a chance. Price came back here, didn't manage to create a new high, so I managed to get into the trade here. This is only a back test, but I was right. Unfortunately, the price didn't manage to create a new low, so came back to break even. And what I did was actually buy from this level here. So you can see the time, 10:44 closing time. So opening time was 10:24. So 10:24 was actually a nice moment to open a long here. 10:23, 10:24 here. Okay, just because the price shifted back up again. And this time I see it on the right way, but I was too scared to leave it open again. So this could have been, honestly, a nice trade. But as I said, I'm trying to work on my feelings, on my stuff, and to get into the trades and actually leave them open. As you can see, price is starting to shift back down here, but it doesn't mean that the price is going down. As you can see, 2 p.m. right, 2:30 economical event, price mitigated this area and then restarted to climb back up. So these shorts wouldn't have been taken on my backtest. I was right on the real market this time, but unfortunately I didn't manage to leave the trade open. So again, there was this clear order block here, right? So price had to mitigate this order block, right, after this internal break of structure. And what it does, it just comes back where the entry is, because there's another order block here. You can see price mitigating 50% and shifting back up. And that's it for the day on gold. Didn't manage to take anything else. We had to look and aim for the actual final target, okay, which was this side, and you can see the price melting down from here. And this could have been a nice buy from here, All right, we bought from here. You know, the structure shifted here, so this could have been another buy, but you know, only this trade on backtest 1 to 27. We're gonna shift into Thursday, but I'm gonna show you the rest of euro dollar on Wednesday. As you can see, pretty clear price action even on Wednesday. All right, guys, see you on the next video.